In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist's boards for better focus. We all know how challenging it can be to juggle multiple tasks at once. Whether you're managing work projects or personal goals, having a system in place can make a world of difference. Todoist offers an intuitive boards feature that can help streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Let's dive in and explore how to set up and optimize these boards. So, once you're logged in, the adventure begins by heading straight to your Todoist homepage. Here, you'll want to look out for the option to add a project. Once you spot it, go ahead and select it. You'll be greeted with the option to choose the board view. This view is especially powerful as it provides a comprehensive visual layout that makes managing tasks straightforward and intuitive. Now, an important task awaits you: naming your project. It's crucial to choose a name that's clear and purposeful. Consider using names that are descriptive of the projects, like work tasks for professional duties or personal goals for your individual endeavors. A good name not only helps you stay organized, but also instantly communicates the project's purpose to anyone reviewing the board. With your project named, it's time to add sections. Think of these sections as the columns on your board. Common sections include To Do, In Progress, and Done. However, you're not limited to these. Feel free to customize sections to suit your specific workflow. Maybe you need a section for waiting on feedback or priority tasks. This flexibility ensures your board is tailored precisely to your needs. Next, it's all about the tasks. Start by listing everything you need to accomplish within each section. Make sure each task is a tangible action step you can complete. Once you have your tasks listed, adding details becomes crucial. Make a note of due dates, assign priorities, attach labels, and even add comments if needed. These details offer much-needed clarity and context, which are essential for staying on top of your tasks. For larger tasks, breaking them down into subtasks can be incredibly helpful. This approach makes daunting tasks more manageable and less overwhelming. Plus, checking off smaller subtasks can give you a rewarding sense of progression and achievement. Prioritizing your tasks is another key to effective organization. Todoist allows you to use labels and filters to tag tasks. Labels like urgent or low priority help you quickly assess each task's importance. You can create filters to view tasks based on these priorities or contexts, ensuring you always know what needs your attention first. Moreover, make good use of the drag and drop feature. As you progress through your tasks, you can easily move them from one section to another. This visual cue of progression can be quite motivating, serving as a satisfying reminder of how much you've accomplished. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips. Utilize color coding for better visibility and organization of tasks. It's especially helpful for distinguishing between personal and professional tasks. For routine work, create recurring tasks to save time and effort. And if you're part of a team, consider sharing your boards for effective collaboration. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to using Todoist's boards to enhance focus and productivity. Happy organizing!